Did you know that millions of adults over the age of 50 in the United States struggle with some form of vision decline every year, and that for many of them it begins with something as simple and irritating as dry eyes during the night? It often starts quietly. You try to read a newspaper, but the words look fuzzy. You wake up with eyes that sting or burn. You sit down to watch television, yet you keep blinking because your eyes feel tired and sore. Slowly, you begin to sense that the world around you is getting harder to see, and it can feel frightening because you are not sure why it is happening or what you can do to stop it. Many older adults believe that this is just part of getting older, yet that belief is not always true. Vision loss is not always unavoidable. Your eyes actually enter their most active repair state while you sleep. During the night, your eyes work to rebuild tissue, restore moisture, and flush away stress from the long day. They want to heal. They want to recover. They are designed to do exactly that. But as the years go by, your body changes. Your natural tear film becomes thinner. Circulation begins to slow. The tiny blood vessels that feed your retina start to lose strength. These changes cause many common morning symptoms such as cloudy sight discomfort, dryness, or that scratchy sandpaper sensation when you blink. If any of this sounds familiar, you are far from alone. Yet, what many people do not realize is that some of the most powerful tools for helping your eyes recover at night are already in your kitchen. You do not need rare ingredients or expensive treatments. Simple foods rich in the right nutrients can make a real difference in how your eyes feel each morning. Today, you will discover 3 nourishing foods that support healthy eyes during the night. Each one is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help calm irritation, restore hydration, and keep the retina strong. These foods are affordable, easy to prepare, and well-suited for older adults who want a practical nightly routine that strengthens their vision over time. If you are ready to support your eyes naturally, then stay with me, because this may be the plan you were searching. For let us begin with one of the strongest and most reliable foods for nightly eye support, which is wild-caught salmon. This food is especially valuable because it is high in DHA, which is a special omega-3 fat that your eyes depend on. Nearly 1/3 of your retina is built from DHA. You literally see the world through structures made from this nutrient. But as the years pass, your body has a harder time absorbing and storing DHA. If you do not eat enough foods rich in these nutrients, your eyes will not receive the building blocks they need for repair. That is when the issues begin. You might notice sight becoming unclear in the evening. You may struggle with glare from headlights. You may experience eyes that water or burn while reading. You may feel a growing fear that your vision is slipping away. Wild-caught salmon helps address these concerns because it is one of the richest natural sources of DHA that your body can easily use. The nutrients in salmon are absorbed quickly and delivered to your retina, your tear glands, and the delicate cells that capture and process light. Many older adults notice improvement when they add salmon to their evening routine 2 or 3 nights each week. It supports the tear film, which protects your eyes. It soothes irritation. It nourishes your retina at the exact time your body is repairing. It is simple, gentle, and deeply restorative. When choosing salmon, it is best to select wild-caught varieties, especially from cold water regions. Farm-raised fish may contain lower levels of beneficial fats and sometimes contain unwanted additives. Even a small serving of wild salmon baked or grilled can make a meaningful difference. If cooking is difficult, canned wild salmon is a dependable option as long as you choose a low-sodium type. Salmon is easy to digest and supports not only your eyes but also your mind, your heart, and your joints, which makes it a wonderful addition to evening meals. For your eyes, it provides something special. It gives them the raw materials they need to rebuild from the inside out while you sleep. But if fish is not a food you enjoy, there is no need to worry. There are excellent plant-based choices that also support eye health during the night. The next food in this plan is flaxseed oil. This gentle golden oil comes from pressed flax seeds, and it is rich in ALA, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Although ALA is different from the omega-3 fats found in fish, your body can convert a portion of it into the nutrients needed for vision and inflammation support. Flaxseed oil is especially helpful for older adults who struggle with dry eyes, irritation, or discomfort that gets worse in the evening. These symptoms often occur because your tear film is weak or your glands are underperforming. Omega-3 fats in flaxseed oil support your tear film by helping your body create a more stable and more protective layer of moisture. Flaxseed oil can be taken in a simple evening routine. 1 tablespoon before bed is often enough. You can mix it into plain yogurt, a warm drink, or just take it with water. The key is to choose cold-pressed, organic, unrefined flaxseed oil because heat can destroy its nutrients. It should always be kept in the refrigerator and used within a few weeks for best results. Some people may need to begin with a smaller amount to avoid stomach discomfort. It is also wise to speak with a healthcare provider if you take blood thinning medications because flaxseed oil can influence how blood flows through the body. Unlike artificial tears, which only give short bursts of relief, flaxseed oil helps your body produce better tears naturally. It strengthens the glands that create the oily layer of your tear film. This layer keeps your eyes from drying during the night when blinking stops. With steady use, your eyes may feel more hydrated in the morning, you may experience less burning, and you may find that evening reading becomes easier. This is a gentle, gradual improvement, but it is powerful because it strengthens your eyes from within. Now let us explore the final food in this nighttime trio. It is small, it is easy to overlook. Yet it delivers major benefits for aging eyes. These are chia seeds. These small seeds contain plant-based omega-3 fats, antioxidants, and vision-protecting pigments like lutein and zeaxanthin. This combination makes chia seeds one of the most balanced and supportive plant foods for older adults who want to protect their sight. A single ounce of chia seeds holds several grams of ALA, which calms inflammation and supports circulation, which helps nourish the retina. Chia seeds also contain nutrients that gather in the central part of your retina and help protect your sight from strain and oxidative stress. This is especially important at night when your eyes rely on healthy circulation to bring nutrients and oxygen to the cells repairing during sleep. Chia seeds are simple to prepare, which makes them ideal for a soothing evening routine. They can be added to yogurt, oatmeal, or blended into a smoothie. Many people soak chia seeds in water or almond milk for 10 to 15 minutes until they form a soft gel. This makes them easier to digest and helps your body absorb their nutrients better. 1 to 2 tablespoons in the evening can support hydration and calm nighttime dryness. They do not have a strong flavor, so they blend well with many foods. For older adults who prefer plant-based nutrition, chia seeds provide a powerful and gentle way to support the eyes, heart, and brain. When you combine salmon, flaxseed oil, and chia seeds, you get 3 sources of nourishment that each work in different ways to help your eyes recover during the night. Salmon fills the retina with structural support. Flaxseed oil calms irritation and strengthens the tear film. Chia seeds provide antioxidants and circulation support. Together, they create a nightly routine that helps you wake up with more comfort, more clarity, and more confidence in your vision. Now you might be wondering how to bring these foods into your daily life without feeling overwhelmed. The good news is that you do not need an elaborate plan. Small, steady choices are enough. For dinner on 2 or 3 nights each week, enjoy wild-caught salmon baked, steamed, or grilled. Keep the preparation light so the nutrients are preserved. On the nights you do not have salmon, you can take your evening flaxseed oil an hour before bed. Then, as your final snack, enjoy a bowl of yogurt oatmeal or a light smoothie with soaked chia seeds. This is simple. This is comforting. This is a routine that supports your body without stress or complication. Water also plays a quiet but important role. Many adults do not realize that even mild dehydration can cause dry eyes. A small glass of water an hour before bed can help support circulation and moisture without disturbing sleep. You can also keep a small journal to track your nightly choices and morning results. Within a few weeks, you may notice less dryness, fewer moments of discomfort, and a clearer sense of stability in your sight. If you are feeling uncertain or discouraged about your vision, I want to share something important. You're not too late. You still have options. Your eyes still want to heal. Your body still responds to care. Even simple changes made with consistency can strengthen your vision and renew your confidence. I have seen older adults who believed their vision was fading beyond hope slowly regain comfort when waking. I have seen people who avoided evening reading pick up their favorite books again. I have seen individuals who felt nervous about night driving gain a new sense of safety and trust in their sight. These improvements may feel small, yet they build something powerful inside you. They bring back independence. They restore dignity. They remind you that your quality of life still matters. Every nourishing meal, every spoonful of flax seed oil, every soft bowl of soaked chia seeds is a quiet act of care toward your future. You are showing your eyes that you still value them, that you still believe in them, and that you want them to stay strong for the years ahead. And with steady nightly support, there is always hope for more comfort, less strain, and clearer mornings. You are still here, and the world is still full of beautiful things worth seeing.